The beaver, small in size, mighty in purpose, a true builder of life.
In the still waters of dawn, the architect awakens.
Masters of water, their every movement graceful and precise. Beavers, inland, nature's silent builders frovers, shape rivers, forests, and even the land itself.
Before the work begins, the builder reads the river.
Armed only with teeth and instinct, they fell giants to craft their masterpiece. Strength beyond size, Munfik. A single beaver can move its weight many times over.
Together they build, guided by an invisible design.
Piece by piece, their fortress rises, nature's engineers at work.
The family thrives in unity, each life connected by instinct and care.
Life flourishes where they work. Water flows, creatures return.
When night falls, they remain, guardians of the stream.
Their dams create worlds, transforming forests into thriving wetlands. Survival demands awareness. A single ripple can mean danger. Water, their ally, their refuge. Through seasons, they endure, builders for every era. Even in frozen silence, their world remains alive beneath the ice. Protected by layers of ice, the beaver's home becomes a hidden kingdom. As rivers awaken, so do the builders. Rebirth flows through every drop. Once hunted, now honored, a reminder of balance between nature and man.
Each dam, a gift, storing water, preventing floods, nurturing forests.
Yet many rivers flow empty, their architects long gone.
The legacy continues, wisdom passed through ripples and roots.